Suffolk County Music Service presents The Sky, Session 2, a how to play guide for Wicket students.
It's time to get ready to play. Do you remember the things we learnt last week? When setting up your flute, remember to line the head joint lip hole up with the keys on your flute. Also remember the foot joint bar needs to line up with the keys like this, not like this. Let's think about the notes we were also using in the sky. We were using 4 notes: G, A, B, and C. Remember C, we do not need the thumb on the back. Pause the video and look at the picture on the slide. Make sure you know how to read your 4 notes and also the rhythms used in the sky: crotchets, minims, semibreves and quavers. Listen to these rhythms and copy back. The first rhythm starts on the note B. Now find your note A and copy these rhythms back. Now find your note G and copy these rhythms back. And finally, the note C. Copy these rhythms back.
Now listen very carefully to the pattern of notes that I'm going to play. Listen to the shape of the music, and we start on B again. I go first, you copy back. 1, 2, me first. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. Well done.
How did you get on with section A in the last session? Pause the video and read through the red boxes to remind yourself of the important points for section A. Once you have done this, we're then going to have another go at playing it with the backing.
I will play it for the first time and you play on the repeat. Hey! Ha! Your turn.
Section C is identical to Section A. This is called ternary form. Make sure on the last time round you finish with a good strong ha. Pause the video and read through the red boxes to remind yourself of the important points for Section C. After you've done this, we're then going to learn Section C and play it with the backing.
I will play it for the first time. You copy on the repeat and then we'll together shout ha. Your turn. Ha!
Well remembered. Now let's move on and learn Section B.
Here's our new section of music. Section B will fit in between Section A and C. It's the filling in our musical sandwich. Remember, A, B, A is ternary form. Make sure you read through the red boxes to help you understand the important points of Section B. Blow from your tummy and not too loud to make sure the semi-breathes last for 4 full beats. The volume of Section B is different to Section A and C. It is mezzo piano. This is Italian for moderately soft. Don't forget the accents like we learnt in Section A and C. Section B has first and second time bars. Play through Section B and make sure you play the first time bar. Repeat Section B and then jump to the second time bar on the second playing. We're now going to learn Section B and play along with the backing track.
Your turn. Remember to play C, C, C.
Fantastic! Now you can play the whole piece through twice. The first time you'll play as a duet with a music service tutor. Then the video will give you a chance to play it on your own as a solo. Have fun!
Hey! Ha!
Well played. Remember, keep practicing this piece. It will get better and better.